So this is how it works. Go ahead and design here. Take this off, put my computer, sit, design my stuff. After I design, I send it to my printer right here. It gets printed, and from here, I take it to take pictures of it, then sell it online. Sometimes it's hard to stay in that line because, oh, my mind is telling me to design this while I'm already printing something. Well, I'm trying to take a picture and I'm like, man, this design would be so good. So I stop taking the pictures and I start designing, and then these designs don't come out. If the designs don't come out and they end up halfway, then I can take the picture and put them online so I can make money. So what I'm trying to do now is to write as many things as I can do, ideas that I see online, because I consistently see ideas that I want to do, like business card holders, name tags for dogs. I want to do name tags for kids who are in sports. Cool 3D prints like this. Squidward. Laser glasses for your desk. Holds your SD cards. Nike boxes are great for storing or giving a birthday present. So all these designs that I have in my mind and that I actually get through with, I really like. But there's always something in the way that makes me like doze off, right? I don't know if it's just me or you guys have the same problem. We're gonna be going to a flea market this Saturday in Riverside. The reason why I'm doing it is because I want to be exposed to more people, so people can know about me, follow me, see my content, consume it, eventually print something out that they say, whoa, that looks cool, and they buy it. It's a strategy that I'm trying to use